Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change date format in Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. Right now it's showing month, date, year. Let's change to this format, date, month, year format. Go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it and select view by two large icons and select date and time option and select change date and time option and select change calendar settings and then select additional settings and go to date tab, and in short date you just need to check my video description for this text. Just copy the text and just paste it and then select apply to save changes and it will be changed to date, month, year format. And as you can see in date you can able to see 13 today and month 11 2025. It has been changed successfully. And now select apply and OK, select OK and select just close stuff here. And that's how you can change date format in Windows 11. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.